Today, we're going to know about best programming projects that inspire the beginner. Number 1. Make your own chess game. Building a chess game is a great way to take a classic game you may already know and turn it into a programming project. Chess makes for a fantastic starter piece, pun absolutely intended, if you would like to build the foundation for a career in tech. Number 2. Coda Mobile App. The best coding projects for beginners emphasize the importance of being able to create interfaces that are mobile device friendly. You don't need anything other than HTML and CSS to create beautiful layouts that can be worked into an Android or iOS app. Basic coding projects like this teach you how to create an interface, not just coding logic. Number 3. Build your own calculator. Building your own calculator is one of the best software engineering projects for beginners. Creating a calculator gives you practice writing a layout, using logic that reads numbers or symbols from the layout, and using logic that processes the information to get a result. Number 4. Create a to-do list app. Building a to-do list app is another of our favorite fun programming projects to test out your skills. It involves most of what you need to create a simple UI, buttons, animation, user interaction, and events. Number 5. Develop a weight conversion tool. Simple weight conversion tools are another example of easy coding projects for beginners. Much like the to-do list app, beginner coding projects like this will challenge you to create a layout and perform some logic that responds to the information input into the form. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, please subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share.